You might be familiar with the feeling of just entering a luxury hotel room and being instantly enveloped by a sense of calmness and relaxation. And most of you might want to enjoy this in your own home too. With that being said, here we have brought you some excellent tips and tricks with which you can really transform your living space into a luxury hotel room. It will only require a few changes, upgrades, and your area will get transformed into the most relaxing place where you can enjoy your work and/or sleep. In this video, we have covered everything, i.e., from decluttering and organizing your bedding to the upgradation of lighting so that you can enjoy that luxurious hotel experience in your own home. Whether you want to create a serene oasis for yourself or want to impress a guest with that luxurious feel, these tips can help you a lot. So, let's get started with transforming your home into a luxurious hotel like heaven. Declutter and organize. The first step that you can perform in achieving an environment like a hotel room is decluttering and organizing all your stuff. A messy and cluttered room can always make you feel stressed, and you might become frustrated in such a room, while an organized room always seems to be a calm and relaxing area. Thus, it is always a good approach to first get rid of everything that you do not necessarily need in your room. After that, organize everything in a practical manner that makes sense to you and makes your room look presentable. Invest in high-quality bedding. Another important aspect that you might have noticed in any hotel room is the bedding. In order to create an appearance like a luxury hotel room, you should invest in high-quality bedding so that the area can become really comfortable for you to get relaxed in. This may include high-quality fabric sheets, soft pillows, and duvets that feel really good on your skin. Add some greenery and plants. The addition of some plants and greenery can create a big difference in the overall ambiance of your home. Plants are not only meant to add natural beauty to any area but also improve the air quality, which means you can have a healthy environment. Upgrade your home lighting. Lighting can make or break the overall appearance of any area, and that is why you should always look for the perfect lighting. You can invest in some dimmer switches and lamps which allow you to adjust the brightness and create a cozy atmosphere for you. Sometimes certain little details can hold importance in creating exactly the environment that you want in your space. Such things can include the quality of your bathrobes and towels, the fragrance, and obviously the overall presentation. The addition of some fresh flowers can also be a good idea for achieving an elegant decor.